Max, look at you. Round and round and round. Oh. Round and round, Max. You gonna come back and watch Big Bird, Max? Max! Oh, be careful. What's that book? That's your favourite book, isn't it? Clever boy. Round and round and round.
Thank you. Hello, my love. We're not going to go outside now. Just had a bath, Max.
Say bye-bye, Max. Say Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.